Dad's washing an E36. What's up today, Pop?
Oh well, we've been entrusted, I would say, to out this E36.
If you watch it, you'll know more about the E34 though. But we do like anything German. 318is on logbook, so
Proper IS.
it's a proper IS. So it's in Boston Green. That's it. Yeah. We don't normally do free serious stuff or newer BMW stuff, but it's a friend, and I thought it'd be some different content. So yeah, Boston Green 318. Friend, mate, lives in the same street. He likes his BMW. We got a bit of rust on that side. A bit of rust just needs to be sorted. We will, well, the owner will be doing some of this. He's quite good at sort of polishing and stuff. So he's going to be doing that, I think. I'm just going to do a bit inside, which is there. Bring outside some bits in here and grind them down. This side needs sanding down, which yeah. Dad hasn't welded in ages, and I've never welded. But we quite often using the gasless welder setup. We've got some 08 flux cord. We're going to give it a shot. We're going to put some rust converter on it, which is in the back, which that will convert it back to, should do, it's on the tin, to good steel or good metal. Then we've got, we might have some red oxide knocked about. We've got some red oxide knocked about.
A little bit, yeah.
And we can just, and that will stop it as well. So it should be alright. So my first ever proper time of welding, ground it back, and in there, it's solid. Going to go over, cut that bit out, and we'll use it as a line and put a bit of filler on. It's in a bit, so I'm going to filler that out and some rust killer all on there. We'll remember the T-brace. But that's my first ever time of welding. Better I'm going to be. As you can see, the car before has had filler work. Okay, it's a loads of filler there. You can see the ridge there. So by the time it's all done, it's going to be pucker and the owner will be happy. Yeah, well, now to all the expert welders, I'm on £1,000 an hour for welding. That's dodgy at best, but I've never welded before. Welding new steel to old steel on a gasless rig, I'm really happy, and I think I can only get better if I try and get more practice in. So I'm happy with that. Win. Inside has been wired down and the rusty bits have been coated in hammerized rust converter. I've done that right up to back end of it, even though I could see it on camera. I'll probably give that another go because it was quite pitted there. How are you feeling, Pop?
Alright.
Now, we're aware that we could have cut the back section off and brought one from BMW, but like I said, limited budget, limited time, eh? It's just about keeping my girl on the road. We'll apply some filler, a skim of filler, rather happy. How it's looking. What's your thoughts, Pop?
Not looking too bad, really.
The final picture will reveal, right?
Well, yeah.
Fast forward a bit on, and this is what we've got. How many more times go about it and everything?
Just, yeah.
Inside's been neatened up as well. And we're back. Now, this has been literally a day's work, eh?
Nah,
well, with a cup of teas and a chill load. And when it's painted, it's going to look presentable, which is the main thing. Yeah. And that is a wrap for today. We flash back to what it looked like this morning. I'm quite proud of ourselves. Day 2, and I've got my hat on. It's sunny as hell out here. It's hell sunny.
Bloody is sunny.
But anyway, on our last but one colour coat, you know, we've only been tasked to do this bit. If I had my way, I'd have enough product. I'd have wet sanded everything below the that body line there, right down, sand it all back, paint it and cleared it. Oh. That don't look that bad.
No. For a budget job now, it is not.
It looks really accurate. So, Dad's waffling in the back, but an update on Project Boston. There's BMW. Yeah. Are you chilling? Yeah, same with these. Oh yeah, passenger seat experience the BMW 318is. Let's chill there. So, a roundup, we've saved an E36is, so that's got to give us good karma.
It is good
with
karma.
the E34 gods, I'm hoping.
Plus, if you are an E36 guru, right, and you know anything about flipping specs and colours, I'm sure the Boston Green was a rare colour in the IS, because most were like a black, white, red, and dark blue. So I think it's quite a rare colour.
So if you do know your ISs, your E36s, and you're chumping at the keyboard now, or you've been chumping it all the way through, you know, that's one of something or the other. Let us know in the comment section below. We love nerdy Anaraki specs.
We do.
That's been saved. The owner's happy and he's thinking about having the sides done, which I don't know if I'm doing it or if he's getting it professionally done. But if we am doing it and this video gets a bit of talk, we might video that. There's a lot of stuff we do here that we just don't video. Some stuff you just can't get the shots with the phone. When we do get a better camera and a bit better equipment, we can start putting the cameras to the floor and all that. You can do stuff, but we're more on the phone. We've got the only bit of professional kit we've got is a mic on top, and that's because we've got a black country accent and a lot of people say they cannot understand us. So before we get a mic to
I wonder why.
I don't know. And this is just tuned out. This is like really tuned out for us, our voices. So that is done. Thank you for watching. Until next time,
goodbye.
Bye bye. Now to the video. When I was editing last night, I looked and it looked really awful, like orange peeling. So I've come back, knocked it down a bit and buffed it up.